welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a little vlog style video, a vlog. But yeah, I haven't done this in a while and I have a somewhat busy day today. It's like 10:30 right now. I got up super early at like 6:30 to take my sister to school because she had some sort of study session this morning. So I don't know how I got up that early, but I did. And then I wound up going back to sleep until like 10 o'clock. So finally up, finally having a cup of coffee. I'm actually going to the library to get some studying and homework done. I have homework that's due tonight, so I need to like get it done, and there's a lot, actually, more than I thought. I have to do like 40 questions, so really need to get on that, so I'm going to stay until I get that done. And hopefully, I'm hoping that I'll be done with all of that by like 3 the latest. It's 10:30, that's a long time, so I should really be done by then. I have so much school-related stuff going on this week. I have 2 classes I'm taking online this summer. I'm taking 2 finance classes, so definitely a lot of work, but hoping for the best. Really need to get on top of this stuff. So I have, basically that's my main focus. I have a yummy Panera green tea that I have with me left over from yesterday. My sister works at Panera, so sometimes she's able to bring stuff home, so I told her to bring that home for me. But I have some errands I need to run after I'm done with my homework. I have to return something at Walmart and also Ulta. I got a new moisturizer with SPF, and my skin has just been like reacting to it crazy. Like, my skin's just reacting to it. I don't know if you can see the redness, like all these red marks. So yeah, my skin, you can see it, I feel like right here. There's like a ton of red marks on my face. It also broke me out, so I'm just gonna return it. That's the beauty of these types of places. I'm leaving for my internship this summer, this Friday, so like I said, this is just a really busy week. I'm gonna be living in Orlando for the summer, so yeah, really excited about that. A little nervous, which I think is totally normal. But then I ended up getting really busy last night, so I decided that I would just make this like a week vlog because I have a lot going on this week. So it's Tuesday, it's around 2:30, and I kind of had a lazy morning. I had to do some onboarding stuff for 2 different jobs that I have. One for my internship this summer, and then one for a job that I will be doing on campus when I go back to school. So that took about like 2 hours in total, and then, oh my god, I'm driving so slow, it's making me anxious. It's super hot. It's like 91 degrees today. I really wish I could be at the beach, but I'm not allowed to with my surgery. Back to what I was saying. So yeah, so I had to get all of that stuff done, reply to some emails, and then I have a test that I need to take either today or tomorrow, depending on when I feel ready, but I have to take it by tomorrow night. And so I'm gonna go study for that for pretty much the rest of the day. I'm gonna go to Starbucks right now and do that. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get. I'm not really like in the mood for coffee, but then I feel like I'm gonna need it to stay awake, stay energized, so we'll see what I get. But oh my god, I look so obnoxious with this headband and these glasses. So yeah, that's pretty much what the rest of my day looks like. I really hope that I'm ready to take it tonight. I might honestly take it like super late tonight. It's online and it's open notebook and it's an hour, so if I feel confident tonight, I'll just do it tonight because I have to study for another test tomorrow that I have to take on Thursday. Busy week. All my classes are just piling up. I was able to finish all that homework yesterday though that I showed you guys in the clips of me in the library. It took forever, but I got all of that done, and I feel like because I was able to do all the homework yesterday, now that I'm gonna go study for this, I feel like I'm gonna be pretty confident once I like brush up on the actual topics and watch the videos. So I might try and take it tonight. If not, I'll take it early tomorrow morning. And so yeah, tomorrow I'm studying most of the day, and then Thursday I have to take that test. I scheduled it for 11:30. That one's like proctored, so I have someone proctor me through my laptop. I've never done this before. I'll let you know how it goes. It's through the website Examity. I don't know if your school offers that, but it does for my summer classes, so I'm doing that. Hopefully everything works well. But yeah, I did that for 11:30 on Thursday. I had to take it either Thursday or Friday, and then I decided to get it done with Thursday because Friday I have to go to Orlando to move into my apartment for the summer for my internship, which is crazy. It's crazy how fast everything's gone. But yeah, I think I decided that I'm not going to go until late Friday. I realized that I don't have to check in at 3, so that's just when you can start checking in. So originally I thought I had to be there early, but I think I'm going to try and go later and spend the rest of the day with my mom because she's off on Friday, I think. I also still have to pack, so I figured I would just worry about all of that Friday and not today or tomorrow or the next day and focus on school. Summer classes are crazy. Honestly, I hope it just goes super fast. I did summer classes, 2 years ago now in the summer, but I would go to the in-person class, so I would be going like 3 days a week or something crazy like that, and I enjoyed them because, yes, it's a lot of material very quick, but I think going to class forces you to like stay on top, whereas these online classes, it's all on you, and it's a lot of freaking work, and it's hard to teach yourself finance. So yeah, I'm doing the best I can. So I just got here, so I'm gonna go in and get started. So I'm back. I've had a long day of studying at Starbucks, and I've just been like not really doing much, but I wanted to do a mini haul for you guys in this vlog. Last week was my birthday, so I went to the outlets and got a couple of things, and then I also went to Walmart the other day and got a couple of beauty goodies to stock up on for the summer. And just like things that I needed, and excuse my bandage, that was not cute at all. So first things first, actually I'll show these. You've probably seen them in the beginning of, or this whole vlog rather. I got these pair of sunglasses off Amazon. They are literally my new favorite. I don't know if they actually like go with my face shape. They're really big, but I love them. They're like the tortoise print, and they're like a dupe for a designer pair of glasses. Don't really know what they're called. But I will leave the link below in case you guys are interested. They were only like $11, and they're huge. They cover a lot of your face, which I love for the summer. So I'm just gonna leave those on for the rest of the video. I also went to the Vera Bradley outlet. I'm a big Vera Bradley fan. It makes me happy, and anytime I go to the outlets, I like to get something. So I got this. I'm obsessed with this print so freaking much. It's so beautiful. It's like purple, like a deep purple, green, and white, and purple is my favorite color, so I just wanted this so bad, and I figured this would be perfect for my keys. So on times where I don't want to have like a wallet, which is a lot of the times, I don't really like to carry a big wallet, so this is awesome. You can have your card here. So I have my like FSU ID, and then my you have another slot here, so in there I keep my ID, like my driver's license, and then you can keep cards. So I freaking love this. It's awesome. I think I got this for like under $10. When you go to the outlets, they literally have the best sales ever, so I got that. I got a couple of makeup goodies. So the first thing I got is this Maybelline Vivid Hot Liqueur lip gloss. It's a very pigmented lip gloss in the shade Unreal, and I've never tried these before, but I wanted to. And I'll show you guys a swatch. It's very pigmented. It looks like a lipstick, but it's very shiny, and I really love this color. It's like a nude beigey pinky color, so big fan of that. Actually really love that. I also got this Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper, and this one's in the shade Gold Dust, and this is actually a very good dupe for the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. I think that's what they're called. So if you wanted to get that, but they're a little pricey, this texture, consistency, formula is so similar, and it's super like glossy and really pretty, and I really like this color. It has like gold flecks in it, and I just think this is perfect for the summer. So yeah, I wanted some new lippies, so I got those two. I also got a backup of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I love this stuff. It's one of my all-time favorites. I got the shade Sand, so I think this might be a little dark now that I'm looking at it. Might have to go back and get a lighter shade because I like a brighter under eye, but I picked that up. I also got a new foundation. I've heard so many great things about this. It's the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Oh, I didn't realize it has sunscreen. It has SPF 25. That's really good. And I got the shade 455. I don't know if it says the name. It's kind of dark, but I think it matches me pretty well. I'll let you guys know. I've only worn it once. Very full coverage from what I can tell, but I don't really have like a full opinion, so stay tuned. Okay, I already opened this, kind of flimsy, but I got another, I need a new mascara and I haven't had this in a while. It's the L'Oreal Carbon Black Voluminous, and yeah, I just think it's a really great staple drugstore mascara. If you've never tried it, I recommend trying it. I also haven't had an eyelash curler in years, and I don't know, recently my eyelashes don't feel as long, so I figured I'd pick one up. This was just like a $2 elf one, so I got that. I'm just gonna bring this down here. Oh, I also got a pair of lashes. I never wear false lashes, but I have some special occasions coming up next month, So I got these Kiss ones in natural black. They just look like demi wispies, which I really love. These are like the type that I wore for my prom day, and they're natural looking, but they are full, and so I got these. I'm excited to wear them. The last thing I got at the Vera Bradley outlet was a new tumbler. I really wanted one for the summer for my internship to keep like water, or if I make like a smoothie or something. And so this I literally got for like $8, and it just, I loved like the colors with the black. And then there's a straw, and I figured I could use this for like the summer too, the straw, because I know it's like a big thing right now. So pick this up. So I needed to get some more business professional clothing because that's what I'll be wearing all summer. So I found a black pencil skirt that fits perfectly. It's just like a black thin material, which is great because it's Florida where I live, so it's hot. And I got it for 30 bucks, which I thought was really good from Loft. Or no, I got this from J. Crew actually. J. Crew outlet, 30 bucks. Thought it was a really good deal. I know it's something that I'll be wearing a lot. And I'm a business major, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of that, like I mentioned. And then I also found just a cute top in Banana Republic. This was literally $10. Seriously, go to the outlets. It's just a navy blue short sleeve top with a little bow on the shoulder, which I really thought that was really cute. And again, and the material is really comfortable, like it lets air in, which again in this hot weather is going to be great. So just a couple of things to add to my business professional wardrobe. I have a pretty good amount of pieces. I had to get a lot this year because of school, so I think I'm pretty good. Might get a couple more tops, and I still need to get a pair of flats before I start, but I'm probably going to do that at the outlets when I go to Orlando this weekend. Hey guys, so it is currently Wednesday, and I'm going to go grab a coffee and something to eat. I've been studying all morning. I have to take, I don't know where my sunglasses on. I have to take a test by the end of today, so just studying as much as I can. It's open book, but I feel like sometimes I already mentioned this, but I do work on open book, so I'm just really trying to prepare. But I really been craving a coffee and some food right now. I'm wearing this like denim jacket lightweight thing because it covers my bandage, just a comfy black dress, some flip-flops, and my favorite glasses, and a bun. So yeah, you can come with me. Hi little one. Fail. Literal fail. Fail again. Oh my goodness. So I'm really hungry. I'm debating if I want to get food at Starbucks or if I want to pick something else up. I really don't want to get out of the car though. I'm being super lazy and I'm just not feeling the greatest. I literally thought I was going to throw up this morning. I was so nauseous. Thankfully I didn't. I'm feeling better now, but I really want some coffee because I still feel like half asleep, and I'm hungry. It's 11 o'clock. It's only 11, but I'm still super hungry already. I'm stressed, but I feel like I'll feel better after I take this test today. I'm really nervous. I really just want to get a B, like a solid B. So I don't know how many questions it is. I don't even know if it's multiple choice, but I'm hoping it is. I would think it is. I'm just stressed. If I don't do well, I'm going to end up dropping the class because I have to get a B- in it, and I'd rather get my money back and just take it in the fall if I really have to. So that's the plan with that, but I really can't fail this because I really need to take it right now. So let me know down below what your favorite Starbucks orders are recently. I feel like I've just been getting bored of what I normally get. I feel like a lot of times when I go to class in the morning for school, I would always just get like a small iced coffee with an extra shot, or not an extra shot, with a shot of espresso to like help wake me up, with just some cream, or like skim milk depending on the mood I'm in. But my go-to like hot drink is a latte with vanilla. I really love the way that tastes, so usually I'll get that. If I want just like something that's not coffee, I'll get like an iced green tea with no sweetener. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I normally get. I like caramel macchiatos if I want something really sweet and like delicious. That's one of my favorites. I also love the cinnamon dolce, which is no longer like on the menu, but they make it and it's so good. If you like cinnamon, you'll really like that. Drinks. Oh, and if you guys like a frappuccino, if you're in the mood for that, I don't usually get one, but last week I got one for my birthday and I was reminded of how great it tastes. I get a coffee frappuccino with Java chips added, and it literally tastes delicious. It's so freaking good. If you guys are in the mood for like a frappuccino, I highly recommend checking that one out. Big fan. Okay, so I got a grande iced latte. I was like trying to get footage and I don't know what happened. Something happened, but I did get an iced latte with vanilla. It tastes so good. Hey guys, so I don't know where I last updated or when I last spoke to you guys. I think it was when I was getting food earlier, I think. But I finished taking my test. I'm so happy that I finished, number one, but two, I did super well. There were only, what is that? There were only 20 questions, which was good because there was only an hour and I take forever to take tests. So 20 questions, which is scary though because each question is 5 points each. So like if you get 2 wrong, you already, well, I mean that's an A, but like 3 wrong is already a B. But I got a 95. I only got 1 wrong, so that makes me super happy. But yeah, so tomorrow I'm studying all day for my exam that I have to take Friday morning, and then Friday I take the exam, and then I have to pack still. I literally haven't packed. I don't think I'm gonna bring too much, and God forbid I forget something. My house is 2 hours away and I'm probably gonna be going home pretty often, so I'm not too worried about that. Whereas when I went to school, that's 6 hours and that is not an easy drive. It is currently Thursday. What is today? May 22nd, I think? Could be wrong. I think it's May 22nd. I made a cup of coffee this morning, like with our Keurig machine at home, and for some reason it doesn't taste the way I'd like it to. I was gonna buy a Keurig, but I decided against it, and I think my coffee machine tastes better for some reason. You literally want to cry about studying. My brain is fried. I just want to take this test. This material is awful. Alrighty guys, I am back and it is dinner time. It's 6:30 and I am on my way to get some Chick-fil-A because I've been studying all day and I just need dinner and a break. Holy shit, this drive-thru is insane. This Chick-fil-A just opened up recently. I want to say maybe like January or February. Could have been earlier. Nah, I think it was like January. And people are crazy for Chick-fil-A. I don't know if it's like that everywhere else, but even like on campus we have a Chick-fil-A and it's just always insane. I mean, it's good, but to me it's like not. I mean, no, it's good. It's just really like all the time. But I have one of these special cards, so I'm gonna use this because there was something wrong with my mom's order, so I filed a complaint for her and I got a free meal. So thanks, Mom, and me, I guess. Like, I'm so excited to eat this. I'm gonna wait till I get back though because it's like my motivation to continue studying. I have a feeling that I'll be studying for a while. There's so much I still want to do to review that I haven't done. I was like very unproductive this afternoon. I like took a nap but I couldn't sleep, so it was a very unproductive nap. Then I proceeded to like, what was I doing? Honestly, I don't even know what I was doing. Oh, I didn't finish my tea. I was just very distracted. I was watching YouTube videos. I've been obsessed with Brooke Mecchio. Is that how you say your last name, Brooke? I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, but I love her. She's so relatable. Like, I wish so badly I could be her friend, and I'm from Long Island, so like, I get it, girl. I get it. It's been really cool watching her grow up and mature and just kind of like seeing the process of going from college to the real world. Like, I love watching her videos. She's just so genuine and like real, and I love that.
Did anybody take your order yet?
Nope.
Do you have a name?
Meredith,
How many serve you today?
can I just do your 8-piece nugget? I think that's the meal.
The meal and for the beverage?
Can I do an Arnold Palmer?
Anything else for you?
And just honey mustard.
Okay, so an 8-count nugget meal, medium fry and a medium tea lemonade. It's gonna be $7.58.
Okay, do I pay now?
Yeah, it's
I have this. I don't know if you can.
Is this for the whole meal?
Yeah.
There you go. So it says you owe 26 cents. It's because of the lemonade.
That's fine. Sorry, 1 second.
Thank you. And you'll
Thank
get the
you.
receipt out the window. Have
Okay.
a great day.
You too. Dang, 26 cents for a meal at Chick-fil-A. 8-piece. Pretty legit. Yes. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Have a good one. All right, we're good. We got the goods, and off we go back home to study.